Oh my god, look at this one. This one looks crazy. But you're telling me that this is definitely an ellipse? Are you sure? Well, let's find out. So you're telling me this is an ellipse. I need this to be in its STD form of an ellipse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make it into either this or this. I don't know yet what it's going to be, okay? But I do know it's going to be one of those formations. So I'm going to actually try to transfer this equation, the crazy looking equation, into one of these formats, okay? So I'm going to take all the x's and collect them. Okay, because I know I'm going to have to complete the square somewhere along the way here. Y squared minus 2y, and I'm going to send the 8 over because he's a constant. Okay, now I know that when I have completing the square, I can't have an a value here. So I'm going to factor out that sucker, x squared plus 18x. There's no y here, no a here. Okay. Now that you saw our general equations that we're going to have to form into STD, I'm going to erase this. So we're going to need that space. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. Half of b squared. Half of b squared. Half of b squared goes here. So I'm going to add a foreign value here to each of these. And I know I'm going to have to balance out the equation. Half of 8. Oh, I forgot to factor out the 3. I know you guys were probably like, what the factor? You're right. It should be a 6 there. And half of 6, because 6 times 3 is 18, and that gives me that because I factored out a 3. Okay, half of 6 is 3, so it's going to be 3 squared. 3 squared, which is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So really, I added a foreign value of 27. How about here? Half of b. Half of negative 2 is negative 1 squared, which is 1. That means I added a foreign value of 1. So 27 comes from that, this guy, and this guy. Okay? All right. I have to balance out my equation. So this guy becomes 3x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 36. Oh, it's almost the standard form of an ellipse. So what should I do next? What should I do? I need this to be a 1, right? I need this to be a 1. So I'm going to divide everybody by 36. Divide everybody by 36, and I get x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared over 12 over 36 equals 1. And this is this a Julius or a Jeffrey? This one is a vertical, this one is a Julius. A vertical ellipse. Okay, that means my a squared is 36, my b squared is 12. Then calculate your c, and then you can actually calculate everything else you need to sketch this graph. Try sketching this. Good luck!